Double the spirals, double the fun with the OXO handheld 2-blade spiralizer. With this spiralizer, you can create pasta-like dishes, curly fries that you can bake, or even garnishes. The spiralizer features two stainless steel color-coded blades with an open blade design, green for 1/8 inch spaghetti curls and orange for 1/4 inch fettuccine spirals. It has a non-slip grip for comfort and a food holder to protect hands when in use that doubles as a cover for safe storage. To begin, twist to remove both blades and food holder from the spiralizer. Select the blade you want to use and twist to secure onto the non-slip body. Cut the ends of the fruit or vegetables so they're flat and even, and place the flat end against the blade. Apply pressure while twisting the vegetable clockwise to get long, uniform spirals. Spiralizing works best when the produce is straight and at least 1.5 inches in diameter. If the produce is longer than 6 inches, just cut it in half. If it isn't naturally straight, cut it into straight sections. When you start to reach the end of the fruit or vegetable, use the food holder for safety to keep your fingers away from the sharp blade. A few twists later, you have a plate of delicious and healthy vegetable noodles that you can dress up however you'd like. The spiralizer comes apart for easy cleaning, is dishwasher safe, and locks together for storage. Here's a good tip. Use your spiralizer to make dicing vegetables quicker and easier by using an OXO paring knife to cut your veggie noodles after spiralizing.
The OXO swivel peeler is our most enduring and iconic product and was part of the original line launched in 1990. During the design phase of this product, the design firm tested hundreds of different handles to find the one that was the most comfortable and functional. The sharp stainless steel blade glides through even the toughest fruit and vegetable skins with ease and will hold up to years of peeling. The soft, comfortable handle cushions your hand as you peel, and the soft, flexible fins flex for comfort when you apply additional pressure. The handle is non-slip even when your hands are wet or oily, and a built-in potato iron makes easy work of potatoes. Here's a good tip. We recently got an email from a consumer who accidentally tossed her peeler into the compost pile. She uncovered it 3 years later, cleaned it off, and it works like new.